Trying knickknacks, which are nice and spicy, intensely tasty, unusually knobbly.
What are knobbly?
Let's try it. They're not spicy at all. They're kind of sweet actually, which is weird. They're not very cheesy. They're like Cheetos.
Sour.
They're not really cheesy. I don't like them.
They're alright.
I'm a little bit disappointed because someone at work hyped them up like they were amazing.
They're alright.
They're not amazing. Next up, Rebels.
I need to clear my palate. Hold on.
Which one will you get?
What flavors are they?
Because we can get... No, we're having trouble reading that. I don't know why.
Because you're out.
Coffee, raisin, orange, toffee. I can't read these two.
Okay.
I have my glasses on. I can't read shit.
Coffee, raisin, orange, chocolate,
Literally
toffee, and
wearing
Maltesers.
glasses.
Okay. What were they get two?
Chocolate and Maltesers.
Chocolate? I couldn't read chocolate.
Yeah.
I'm gonna blame it on watching Nazi propaganda.
Yeah. You sound really bad for saying that. That's bad.
Just to clarify, I've been watching a World War II documentary.
I can't open it. My nails. Hold on.
Okay.
Hold on.
Hold on.
I got it.
I was gonna get scissors to help you. Make it easier.
I can do this on my own. What if you don't have scissors from there? See? Is that what it is?
Alright, if I get a raisin one, I might throw up.
Same. But has to. Right?
I'm gonna guess this one is a Maltese.
Malteser.
Is it Malteser?
Yeah.
Malteser.
I think mine's
'Cause
orange.
They're like
looks
Whoppers.
it. Yeah, Whoppers in America.
I think mine's orange.
Kind of has that shape. You ready?
Yeah.
Maltesers are better than Whoppers.
No, it's
Chocolate. No, it's not. That's toffee.
I think mine was just chocolate. I'm trying to. Nope, mine was orange. There's a hint of orange. There we go. I'll taste it now. Try one more. I'm gonna guess toffee.
Oh, this is a raisin one. I can
That
feel
looks
it
like a
in
raisin
my
one.
mouth.
It's toffee.
Don't know what this is. Malteser.
Great. One more.
I want a coffee one. I love coffee. Wait, do one. Malteser.
Do one more then.
Oh, I think this one.
These are actually good.
Oh, that one's regular chocolate.
Alright. You know, they're toffee one.
I love toffee.
They're better than the knickknacks. Knickknacks
I like knickknacks.
and chicken eagle.